that's not necessarily something we talk a lot about on the show, but really and truly how the brain functions is such a critical component in how we manage ourselves in this type of environment. High stress, high emotion. Then you take on our own personal, we'll call them demons, right? So any baggage that I carried into the world of trading, or if I happen to be frustrated when I joined the session, I always tell people, if you just had a fight with your spouse, don't go into the charts, right? So there's all these different dynamics that can really have an impact on the way that we perform as traders. And for you've lived in this type of world before outside of the world of trading. So it doesn't surprise me that you made that jump, because here's the thing. I mean, when you look at poker and trading, I mean, these are really two of the hardest things that somebody can try to master, because there's so many different facets of it. Now, you talked a little bit about some of the the statistical analysis and the perfect scenario, so to speak, in the world of poker, which obviously does not exist in the world of trading. But having been through that sort of gauntlet now in two different arenas, I mean, is there anything else that's like on your radar that's like, okay, once I kind of have my mastery, or whatever we can call mastery in the world of trading, is there something else that you feel like you want to move this into, or does everything else just seem just boring now that you're in a world that has so many dynamics?
I mean, I was able to secure the $2,000 payout after it's been 140 days of trading last week, and it was approved finally from Apex.
Congrats.
So congrats on me, finally.
Yeah, for sure, man. Congratulations.
Yeah. And that really reshaped my brain in terms of trading, the trading area of my brain. So it gave me that long-term dopamine now. So I think I'm now more confident, and I will probably do less revenge trading or over trading. And I need to have more of these long-term dopamines. So maybe next time I can go for $4,000 and then $6,000 and then $8,000. I think that's what truly gonna help me in long term.
This is a long game. I mean, really, when you look at it, there is yes, some people get short-term positive results in the world of trading, but the ones that are truly successful at the level of, like, this has been life-changing. This is what I have built my life around, right? Professionally speaking, this is long-term play, right? We don't just jump into the market hoping that we can get funded maybe funded, but we're certainly not looking for a payout in one trade, because that's, of course, not the way that it works. Not to mention, that's not sustainable at any level, right? So we might get a great big payout and then just sort of lose that edge because there was really no edge to begin with.